Okay, today we're here at the Los Angeles County Fair for the first day, and as usual with most fairs that these people are at, we go to the Breads of the World booth and get our garlic butter Parmesan fry bread, GBP, in other words. This is our favorite. So, yeah, this is how you make fry bread knots. It should be easily uh, to tear apart. It should be nice and fluffy. I'll just show you, they actually have lots of Parmesan actually sprinkled on top. Usually it's kind of in the garlic butter, all real small. And this is a tradition in our family. Our kids and the two of us both all like this. So this is actually delicious. So I'm going to give this one an A plus all the time. So anyways, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell. Click on all to get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm going to take another bite, and I'll see you in the next one.